If you wanted to draw a box and whisker plot for this data, then what you would need to do is highlight the two ratio columns. So to do that, you highlight the first column, just as you would normally. And then if you have a Windows computer, you hit Control and hold it. And if you have an Apple computer, you hit Command and hold it. And then you highlight the next column. So you've got your two ratio columns highlighted, not the means and the standard deviations, just the ratios. Then you go to Insert and you come to the little histogram here and you go down here and you choose box and whisker, and it will give you a box and whisker. Now, because this data is very similar, because I made it up, the box and whisker doesn't look very interesting. But what you would do is you would add axes titles, you would edit the chart title, you could put in the data labels, which would give you the numbers, and you can alter various bits and pieces so that you can include, for example, a legend, so you can edit what these different things are. And that is how you would draw a box and whisker plot.